Itong latest chika doon ay Pangilinan may hirit kina Andres Mulak at Bel Mariano. Diretsahan na tinanong si Donnie Pangilinan kung ano ang reaksyon niya sa pagkakalink ni na Bel Mariano at Andres Mulak. Sabi niya, like what Bel said, hindi po maiwasan yon. Gawa po ng mga tao, it's part of show business. Kung sino po ang gustong suportahan ng mga tao, dun sila. Yun naman po yung mahalaga. We just not step in each other toes or hurt others' feelings. Yun naman po yung mahalaga, reaksyon niya. Ano ba ang real score sa kanilang dalawa ni Bel? Hindi naman po natin maiwasan na may masabi yung mga tao para sa amin. We are really good partner. And girlfriend material ba si Bel? To me, I think anyone will agree. She is an amazing person. She has all the qualities that you look for to a good partner. And I think she would that. Kung sakaling may magtatanong kung she's girlfriend material, yeah, I think anyone will agree. Pakli ni Donnie. Anong nagustuhan niya kay Bel? Totoo siyang tao, yun ang mahalaga. She's a real person. She is honest, both open to each other, both comfortable. Everything you look for a partner, I found in her. Anya pa.